let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we.
Do I show you the demolition before this, or do I show this before the demolition? Maybe I will show you this after the demolition. Big news. We made a purchase. We put a deposit down and we have to pay for the rest of it. I'm trying to go get this item tomorrow, but we got here a day early, so I'm hoping that she can meet me sometime today. This is super exciting, like super exciting. Oh yeah, and I tried that, you know, that henna freckle trend. It didn't really work. It makes me look like I have sunspots. Maybe they'll fade, but I think they're just getting darker. So we're buying that, and they can't find the title, so I don't know what to do now. And first evening, first trip to the auto parts store. I think our gas, when we filled it up, was $148 maybe, something like that. What have I gotten myself into? So far on our trip home with this Travelcraft, we had to stop because the fuel line going into the pump or something came off. And then something was rattling around, so we stopped for that. And then the throttle cable came off. So right now the throttle cable is hooked to some rod or something, I don't know, with a zip tie. It's a rough start. So I'm gonna stop, let the dogs out, get a couple brewskis for when we get back to the property. I think we still have like another hour to go. We haven't gone over 60 so far. I'm not sure if he's just being very careful or if it doesn't have enough oomph. So tomorrow I'm gonna end this video with some demolition. I'm going to get all the carpet out. I'm gonna try to get all the cabinets out. Probably not really gonna save much. It has a new fridge. It has a new little stove, which I wasn't planning on keeping, but it's new, so maybe I will. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, but the sunset's beautiful. Got home with the Travelcraft pretty late last night. I had some mechanical issues throughout the whole trip. I had to stop at Walmart and buy a battery because it was the only place open last night, probably like at 9:30 or so. And I'm gonna start tearing stuff up. I'm going to get rid of the cabinets, get rid of everything. I need to get that carpet out, the carpet padding. I need to see what I'm working with. It's pretty disgusting. I'm gonna show you pictures of the inside, and I don't know why I feel like it's embarrassing because it wasn't mine, but it's bad. I am gonna do the conversion on my YouTube channel, but I'm also still gonna go to hot springs and stuff. I'm going to kind of mingle them all together, and hopefully you guys stick with me. God knows I need all the advice I can get, so advice up, guys. I've had as much coffee as I can drink. I've put this off long enough. My hands are shaky. Let's tear shit up.
Sacred words inside us, filling yes words and thunderbolts. Sacked old dreams, new mediocre, find new ways to overdrive.
So I guess the first step is get rid of all the stuff I don't want, right? I do not plan on keeping any of this stuff. It's disgusting and it stinks. I need tools. Change of plans. I need to get all the window coverings off so I can open the windows because it is stinky and muggy in here. And I know the couch folds flat so I can get it out better, but the little mechanism is broken, so it doesn't actually do that.
You can find me out there. Look for that circling square. Can you see me? I'm right here. I'm right here.
And you know, there's things I am gonna reuse. Like, I'm gonna try to save as much money as I can. I'm gonna keep like the piano hinges, some of these old cupboard latches. They're actually pretty cool. I honestly don't know what I'm doing here as far as taking this stuff apart. I used to work in a trailer manufacturing place and I did a lot, but I didn't do electrical really at all. And plumbing, I didn't do that either. So I basically did the interior stuff, installing the air fans, sealing the trailers, putting on decals, building cupboards, stuff like that on the inside, and kind of the putting together of it. I didn't actually like get it ready to be like functionable, I guess. And I don't know why I'm standing like this, but it is what it is. Look at this. Almost got the entirety of this closet out. So I can tell already that this thing here is going to be a pain in the butt. I have hit my head on it probably a dozen times today. What are you doing?
It's somebody heated up a knife like this. I wonder what they were doing.
I found a couple of razor blades too. Okay, so it's definitely time for a dump run. I can't really take anything else out. Okay, so step one of working on my camper van is cleaning up the shop. So I guess I'll give you a quick tour. It's a mess. I know we have so much going on, but a quick tour, I guess. All this kind of stuff. Some routers. We have our workbench. This, I'm moving out of the way. We have my husband's welding area, some sandblasting stuff, and all this. What is my, oh, there it is. And you can tell I don't use my planer very often, but I do have a planer and it works perfectly. And I plan on using it a lot when I rebuild this camper because my goal with this camper is to use as many recycled materials as I can. A lot of it is going to be stuff maybe I already have, like I have a lot of scrap woods and stuff. Yeah, there's this room. You Harley fans, I know it's dusty and it needs a cover, but my husband's gonna rebuild it, so there's that. Love my bike so much. Yeah, this stuff. Come over here. Keep all of our random nuts and bolts and little things we have to keep in order here. We have the CNC mill. We have this CNC lathe. And I don't know if I can show you the stuff over there because this is where we keep all of our electronics and things that my husband is working on. Okay, I'm gonna turn you around real quick. Expect the lighting is bad. I need to empty that, that's garbage. We have some 3D printers, all of the other stuff that we sell, and a laser engraver that needs work, and then the laser engraver that we actually use for our business.